Guys, we just got back. We're gonna do an overnight trip, probably a 10-mile run, and he's getting in his kayak. Let me get me a running start here.
All right, guys, here he goes. Let's see how he does.
It's gonna be tough. Whew. 260 pounds plus 100 pounds.
All right, so straight up ahead, I believe, is the little island we're gonna try to go to, camp out on tonight. This is our first time coming downriver like this way, so we're not really sure if we can get through or not. Hopefully we can. We've done committed to it, got everything loaded up.
Woo. Guys, we landed this thing. I didn't have my camera on, but we got a little sandbar here. The wind's blowing out of 40. We're hoping it's going to lay because it's going to be cold tonight.
We'll try to find a spot to camp at. Wow, check it out. Yeah, man, yes. Wow. So this is a good spot right here.
Sure enough, yeah, this is really nice. It's gonna be cold down here tonight, guys. It may be about 30 in the morning, because when you're on the water, it's a lot colder. Check that sandbar out over there. That's nice. This is pretty cool right here, though. Got plenty of stuff to burn. Find some rocks and make us a campfire. Got a little tender down there, come off the river here, and we'll see if we can get this thing to going. There it goes right there. Once I got the good sharp knock on it, she's ready.
I like this little island. It's a neat little thing. I've always enjoyed camping out, always enjoyed being outside, and this is a perfect little island. I mean, it's sand everywhere and not too rocky, bumpy or nothing. It's just perfect right here. We've got it set up. I'm excited. Been looking forward to camping for a while.
Guys, we got our campfire going. I put my coats up here. They got wet. It's starting to dry out, but we got us a pile of wood here, and we're going to take a couple of them bigger logs and stick the ends in there for tonight. I think it's supposed to be down, they say 37, but on the river it could be 8 to 10 degrees colder. We are trying to just get away from everything. As I said the other day, the coronavirus and stuff, I don't know how bad that is. I know it's bad, and but I hope that too many people don't die. We need to pray, get back to God. As I said the other day, may God send a revival in our nation. Boy, we need one.
All right, guys, we got our chef over here. He's cooking us up some hot dogs and some chili in the pot over there. Over here on our picnic table, we got the buns and some mustard to go on, some chips. Of course, to do it up right, got some Velveeta cheese.
see, it's getting dark pretty fast. Temperature's definitely dropping. It's down to 46, I believe. I just checked the thermometer. It's getting a little chilly. I had to put my jacket on.